When your Redis instance needs to survive failures or outgrow a single machine, you have two paths, Sentinel and cluster. Picking the wrong one is a painful migration. Let's learn the difference now. Sentinel solves availability for a single dataset. It watches your primary and elects a new one if it dies. Cluster goes further by splitting your key space across many primaries, so you can store more data than any one machine can hold. In Sentinel, a quorum of at least 3 Sentinel processes must agree before a promotion happens. This prevents split brain. In cluster, each shard has its own replica, so a slot range is recovered independently when that shard's primary fails. With Sentinel, you talk to the Sentinel process itself to discover the current primary and trigger failovers. With cluster, you pass the -C flag so the client automatically follows slot redirects when a key lives on a different shard. When reviewing a PR, check that Sentinel has at least 3 voters, that cluster clients handle slot redirects, and that any multi-key commands use hashtags. Also verify the topology choice actually matches the data size requirements. The single most important decision: does your data fit in one machine? If yes, Sentinel is simpler. If not, or if you anticipate growth, go cluster from the start. Migrating later is painful.